Friends, this is a clap switch circuit. That means if you make any noise, you can switch on any light, or even you can reverse also. So this is a sound based switch, you can say. I'll show you how it's work. See, once you make any noise, there will be light and it will take the sound and it will be on. That means if you use any relay here, you can switch on any bulb or any kind of electrical appliance. You just make a noise. Just the noise is a trigger of this switch. Okay, I'm using one microphone, 555 IC, LED and few resistors and one capacitor, and obviously I'm using a preset here. Why I'm using this preset? Because you need to adjust the sensitivity of this microphone. I'm using this mic, see, so you need to adjust this microphone sensitivity, then only it will work properly. I'm not using any relay here, only for the demonstration purpose, but you can set it. You can use solid state relay or you can use any mechanical relay also. As it is the operating source is only 5 volts, so you can use any 5 volt relay, or solid state relay is also a good option for you.